My name's Christian Barker. I'm an entertainment attorney. I'm an entrepreneur. I'm a political activist, but most of all, today, I'm a concerned citizen. Over the course of my career, I've been drawn to the cultivation of innovative and bold ideas. But this year, I've made it a part of my mission to start cultivating ideas that could change others' lives. You've seen the news. You've read the stories and witnessed the protests. The convergence of increased instances of police violence and a rising disrespect for, skepticism of, and lack of trust in law enforcement, especially on the part of millennials, have culminated in the recent decade to create a toxic environment. But what if we could rewind? What if we could find common ground and rise above the fray together? As Nelson Mandela once said, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. If you agree with this statement, like I wholeheartedly do, let's rise together to inspire a new generation. Here's the idea. Career and Technical Student Organizations, or CTSOs, are vocational organizations primarily based in high schools that provide valuable extracurricular activities dedicated to developing and practicing leadership roles and applying specific occupational and academic content knowledge. I want to create a CTSO for high school students to explore a career in law enforcement. Law enforcement training for students ready to inspire, serve, and engage. This program will be the weapon by which we can begin to change the toxic relationship brewing between law enforcement and the community. Students who participate in the organization will learn the ins and outs of the law enforcement career path, providing them with a seamless pathway from high school to the workforce. And through this organization, students will learn about the criminal justice profession, as well as criminal procedure from those who are dedicated to its use and practice daily. A byproduct of this program is the provision of access to justice for the students, who will gain an in-depth knowledge of their constitutional rights, encouraging and reinforcing the importance of active citizenship. As the tension between law enforcement officers and civilians continues to increase, there's an intensifying sense of urgency for our next generation of law enforcement to be equipped with the soft skills and inclusive mindset to understand and mend our communities, further setting the student organization apart from other preparatory training programs is a distinct emphasis on diversity training, mindfulness, conflict resolution, and techniques of empathy. Finally, they will attain the leadership training necessary to effectively inspire, serve, and engage their communities as they explore a career in law enforcement. I've recently applied for an Innovation Fellowship with the American Bar Association's brand new Center for Innovation based in Chicago. The fellowship program is dedicated to encouraging and accelerating innovations that improve the affordability, effectiveness, efficiency, and accessibility of legal services. And I think this new CTSO perfectly fits the mold. Let's create law enforcement training for students ready to inspire, serve, and engage. Let's rise.